Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the English Loop Daily Podcast. I'm Liam.
And I'm Sophia. We are so happy to have you with us today. How are you doing, Liam?
I'm doing fantastic, Sophia. I'm really excited about today's topic. We are going to talk about something everyone wants: being productive without getting tired. Basically, how to have a successful day.
That sounds perfect. Many of our listeners ask us about daily habits. They want to know, how do you organize your work? How do you stay healthy while working hard? So, we will share our personal secrets.
Exactly. And don't worry if you hear new words. Our expert, Teacher Ben, is here to explain the difficult vocabulary later in the episode. Are you ready, Sophia?
I was born ready. Let's dive into our morning routines.
So, Sophia, are you an early bird or a night owl? When does your day start?
Oh, I am definitely an early bird. My alarm clock rings at 6 a.m. sharp. I love the quiet atmosphere of the morning. The first thing I do is drink a large glass of warm lemon water. It really wakes up my body. What about you?
Wow, 6 a.m. is early. I try to wake up around 7. For me, the most important thing is movement. I put on my running shoes and go for a quick 20-minute jog around the park. It's my way to kickstart the day. If I don't run, I feel sleepy all morning.
That is impressive. I prefer something calmer. After my water, I do 15 minutes of yoga and stretching. It helps me clear my mind before the chaos of the day begins. Do you eat breakfast immediately after your run?
Yes, I'm usually starving. I need fuel. I make a big smoothie with bananas, spinach, and protein powder. It's quick and nutritious. I can't cook a big meal on weekdays. And you? Do you have a big English breakfast?
Not really. I practice mindfulness while I eat my oatmeal with berries. I don't look at my phone. I just enjoy the food and the silence. Checking emails is strictly forbidden before 8 a.m.
I need to try that. I admit, I check my notifications while drinking my coffee. It's a bad habit, I know, but the coffee is essential. I cannot function without my double espresso.
We are very different, Liam, but that is why it is interesting. There is no perfect routine, only the routine that works for you.
Hello, students. Teacher Ben here. Let's look at some interesting words Liam and Sophia used in their morning conversation. Listen carefully. Number 1, early bird. An early bird is a person who wakes up early in the morning and is active. Example: Sophia is an early bird. She loves watching the sunrise. Number 2, to kickstart. To kickstart means to make something start happening quickly. Liam runs to kickstart his energy. Number 3, starving. This is an adjective. It means very, very hungry. Example: I missed lunch, so now I am starving. Number 4, nutritious. Food that is nutritious contains substances that your body needs to stay healthy, like vitamins and protein. A banana smoothie is very nutritious. Number 5, mindfulness. Mindfulness is a mental state. It means focusing your awareness on the present moment, calmly accepting your feelings and thoughts. Sophia eats with mindfulness.
Thanks, Ben. That was very clear. Now, Sophia, let's talk about work. We both work from home sometimes. But we have different styles. How do you stay focused?
Focus is a challenge for everyone. My secret weapon is the deep work method. I block 90 minutes on my schedule where I turn off all notifications. No phone, no social media, just the task I need to finish. It makes me very efficient.
I see. I use a different technique called the Pomodoro method. I work for 25 minutes, then I take a 5-minute break. Then I repeat. It helps me because I know a break is coming soon. If I try to work for 90 minutes straight, my brain gets distracted.
That's a great technique too. Do you use a digital calendar or a paper planner? You know I love my paper notebook.
Oh, I am 100% digital. I use apps on my phone and computer to organize my deadlines. I would lose a paper notebook in 2 days. But tell me, what happens when you feel a slump in the afternoon? You know, that tired feeling after lunch?
The afternoon slump is real. To avoid it, I never eat a heavy lunch. No pasta or pizza. I usually have a salad or grilled chicken. If I eat too much, I just want to sleep. And you?
I struggle with that. Sometimes I grab a sandwich and eat it at my desk while working. I know it's bad. This is called multitasking, but actually, it just makes me slower. You are right. I often feel burnout by Friday because I don't take enough breaks. Next week, I will try your salad and silence strategy for lunch.
Oh, Liam, you need to take a real break. Stepping away from your computer helps you avoid burnout. Even just 5 minutes looking out the window helps your eyes and your brain.
Welcome back to the vocabulary section. Let's analyze 5 key words about work and productivity. Number 1. Efficient. When you are efficient, you work well without wasting time or energy. Example: the new software makes our work much more efficient. Number 2. Deadline. A deadline is a time or date by which something must be finished. Example: Liam has a strict deadline for his project this Friday. Number 3. Multitasking. Multitasking means doing more than one thing at the same time. Example: trying to answer emails while eating lunch is bad multitasking. Number 4. Slump. A slump is a sudden fall or decline. In this context, an energy slump means a sudden drop in energy, usually in the afternoon. Number 5. Burnout. Burnout is a state of physical and mental exhaustion caused by stress and overwork. Taking breaks is essential to avoid burnout.
Okay, Liam, the workday is finally over. It's 6 p.m. What do you do to switch off?
Switching off is hard for me. Usually, I sit on my sofa and play video games for an hour. It helps me forget the stress of work. Or I watch a series on Netflix. I love binge-watching new shows.
I understand, but be careful with the screens. The blue light from the TV can disturb your sleep. My evening routine is completely screen-free. I put my phone in a drawer at 8 p.m.
In a drawer? Wow, that is disciplined. So what do you do?
I create a cozy atmosphere. I dim the lights, light a vanilla candle, and make a cup of herbal tea, usually chamomile. Then, I read a fiction book. It transports me to another world and makes my eyes tired naturally.
That sounds like a spa. I usually go to bed around midnight. Sometimes I have insomnia because my brain is still thinking about work emails. I toss and turn for a long time. You know what? Tonight I will try. No video games. Just a book and maybe some tea. If I sleep better, I will buy you lunch tomorrow.
That is definitely because of the blue light and the video games, Liam. You should try reading for just 20 minutes before sleep. It helps you recharge for the next day. Deal. Trust me, a good night's sleep is the foundation of productivity.
Let's look at the final vocabulary words for today. These are perfect for describing your evening. Number 1. To unwind. To unwind means to relax after a period of work or tension. Example: reading a book is a great way to unwind. Number 2. Cozy. If something is cozy, it is warm, comfortable, and safe. Example: her living room is very cozy with all the candles. Number 3. Blue light. Blue light is the light that comes from screens like phones and computers. It can wake up your brain and stop you from sleeping. Number 4. Insomnia. Insomnia is a condition where you cannot sleep. Example: drinking coffee late at night causes insomnia. Number 5. To recharge. Just like a battery, humans need to recharge their energy by sleeping and resting.
Thank you, Teacher Ben. Well, Sophia, I learned a lot today. I'm going to try to be a little more like you. More tea, less screens.
And I might try a morning run like you, Liam. Maybe just once. We hope you enjoyed this conversation about habits.
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite way to unwind after work? Are you team Netflix or team book?
Don't forget to subscribe to English Loop Daily for more episodes. See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.